A lot of people struggle with keeping their teeth white. If you look across the TV and the advertisements that take place, there's whitening toothpaste, there's whitening mouthwash, and there's whitening strips that we can buy to make our teeth whiter. Here in the dental office, we have some solutions too. We jokingly talk about it being good, better, best, but the truth of it is the material that allows us to whiten teeth is actually the same in all different methods. The method difference is how it is applied. We use a company called Ultradent, and Ultradent is our source provider of the whitening agent for teeth. The first level that we discuss is a Whitening-to-Go, which is similar in some ways to white strips, which is just a strip with bleach on it that you would lay on top of your teeth. But the delivery method of this particular system is better. And so we like to use that. It's the most inexpensive one, but we're getting very fabulous results with it. The next is a custom tray that we can make, that we sell a liquid bleach or a gel bleach that we inject into that tray, and then you put the tray down on top of your teeth and wear it for a certain period of time. And the final option is, I kind of jokingly call it type A bleaching, meaning personality that has to have it yesterday. So we have the way to paint bleach on your teeth and have you sit in the office for an hour as we keep an eye on that bleach, because it's pretty strong. We rinse it off, we go through a couple applications of it, and then even after that, you get some take-home bleach with that custom tray. That'll probably end up being the best, quickest, but really all three of them should get you where you want to be, depending on how the application is done. If you want to learn more about these procedures, please contact our office and we'll be happy to discuss it with you or make an appointment for you to come in and see about getting treatment.